Ọhaleze Igbo ụmụnze m ọzọ ekenekwa m ọnụ Igbo ndị ọma njem ọnụ biko can I this short video together? It's about Goodluck Jonathan, the Nigerian political system. And then this very short video.
Dr. Ebele Jonathan, former president and commander-in-chief of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Sir, please do not get into this presidential race. Consider this an appeal by a guy who supported you when supporting you felt like touching a leper. Sir, those who are urging you to come into this race do not mean well for you. Do not forget, they are the same people who ruined your reputation in 2014. They were the same people who sabotaged you. They were the same people who did everything in the book to get you out of office. They do not mean well. They only want to use you. Sir, please do not get into this race. 1, you are not going to win. 2, the most vote you are going to get in this race will be 2 million or below. 3, with such abysmal performance, you are going to lose face. You are going to return home no longer as an elderly statesman, but a greedy politician who wouldn't go away, who wants to remain in power and wouldn't let the younger one, thrive. That's not the image you want to create for yourself. Equally, do not forget, in the Nigerian political space, there is no holding back. People are going to throw shades at you. People are going to throw muds and debts at you. People are going to empty all the debts and cobwebs in the cabinets of your former office. Do not forget, everything is a fair game in the Nigerian political space. You don't want to do this damage to yourself, sir. You have everything to lose and nothing to gain by coming back to contest. The people who are urging you on, they know you are not going to win. They just want to achieve their selfish ends. They just want you to play, at best, a spoiler role for them. So, sir, I am pleading with you again. Do not get into this race. I'm appealing to you, sir. Do not do this to this fine image you created. God, in his infinite mercy, have kept you alive. God, in his infinite mercy, has blessed you beyond measures. You were a deputy governor. You were a governor. You became a vice president. And you became a president for 5 years. There is nothing left for you to be. You have become it all. So, what are you coming back to politics to do? What did you leave in office, sir? Do not do this to your image. People are not going to be kind with you. Once you get into this race, you will be treated as a contestant. In Nigerian political space, everything is a fair game. Sir, don't do this to your image as a respected elder statesman. Stay back in your retirement. Do not come back from retirement to contest this election. You have everything to lose and nothing to gain. Thank you, sir.
Ekenekwa nga munu na short video. In Nigerian political system of 2027 election, mwa ye kuku ya kan kuku yozo. Goodluck Ebele Jonathan ba break. Sa achoro me anama akpalike. Ba break because na something ye kwa yame na political system of Nigeria that you will be needed. Hello. Something ye me na Nigerian political system that you will be needed. Mana biko do n'ekwu ya kita. Do you are not in the picture of 2027 election. You don't do mistake of coming out saying in a contest because no matter how they lobby you, no matter how they lobby you, sege pota, sege menka, those people ya do not love you. Ihe no kita operation destroy everything and tarnish image in the mad. Half good that na obi image cannot be tarnished. And they are going for the second time for Ndobi. They are going for the second time for Ndobi. Emegom video countlessly. Emegom video 4 days ago, 3 days ago. Nyeko say that Obi needs adequate security. Yes, she's a simple man. Obi needs security, not even Nigerian security. Security from Russia or US. Obi needs armored car, bulletproof car. Tested, trusted, guaranteed car. Obi need the kada fosinia everywhere at the same time because ndenya na na-achụ masịzi n'okwu ya dọka okwu ọnụ. So ihe nji ekwuli ha na mbosi May iyechete May 2026 ekwukwa na May ọzọ. Goodluck Ebele Jonathan biko. Sir, with all due respect, do not contest for 2027 election. Sit back. Let Nigeria first of all come and apologize to you for what they did to you. Because you and I know that you are still hot. Ijikwa na obi. Ijikwa na obi. Nicho emele ebele. Nicho eputaki we emele ebele. Ki afafa give we ebele. Nicho ki mgo ki be man in the rescue Nigeria. Tinubu is more focused than Obi Kwankwaso put together. Tinubu is more focused than Atiku when revenge no beer. Because as I see it, Atiku bu revenge abata. Tinubu, they more focused than you. Because how can you come out sitting in Apata for this election now? Barely 6 months to election, sitting in Apata. Because the time you were to convince Nigerians. Okamaka Nigerians see me sigi now. See me sigi now. So that kaihime deilege. Kihime deilege. Okamona. Then be waiting because now if that thing happen in the Nigerian political system, let them look for you and hand over the government to you. So that he takes there your time. May he question him. But as of now, the Nigeria you want to fight for will be the one you boogie. Will be the one to tarnish what you have done, to destroy the legacy which you have built. Because it has never happened before that in an opposition you win, you admit you defeat. Because you said it countless in nature of the blood of Nigerians in your hands. That blood of Nigerians in natural nakage will be the one how you tena will be taken you. Or will your own blood tenaka. Because I will say it and I will still say it again. I am not speaking it from the place of hate or makana obina apatanka. Even among you kuhagwa munusina will be focally at this election or for third position. Because the odds they are against him. More de quando toward the election no. More de quando tuaya. More de quando tuaya. Here you go before testing the microphone this year. And they be Amelia Obokano no Guausa. More within this our south side Camelia. Don't be surprised Obona Hebrew here. Bebe Meyaya. Even no don't care about Anambra State. Just to make sure they send a message. You know, what happens to the man that surrendered his seat for Bola Ahmed Tinubu mgbe ọ chọrọ ịpụta for governorship election Lagos State. Una nọkwata copy mistake wee jụọ kedu ihe mere that man. What was the agreement? Keka the man si wee nwụ. What happens to all the loyalists supporting that man then? Then una ajụzi onwe unu, that man na-ese to 1 million naira na-asị ka agwọ ya anybody bụ relation Tinubu. Una mali hoka jide bold for 1 week now. Nobody has come out to claim that money. So your billion name in Nigeria is deeper than we ever thought it to be. So Jonathan Biko, this is somebody that means well for you. Relax. Your time is coming, not now. Your time is coming. Before the Nigerians need to apologize to you first. Selected few people, individuals, God is still keeping them alive. Those people so well kwatuge. God there as most of them carry 10, 8 are still alive. In that 8 follow for if they can select 4 or 5 to come and ask you for forgiveness, then that is when you will now come out. But as of now, please and please go back home.